What's up, YouTube? RidinWitMike here. Man, I got the film on my daughter's iPhone. She got the best phone in the house and she 9. But anyway, got something in today. And I think y'all already know what it is. It's definitely for the round. Should be the headlights. Makai, you want to help me open the box? Okay, come on, let's open the box. Let's do an unbox. Alright, so my actual camera that I use is out of the country at the moment with my wife. Going on a cruise, so see if I can do this with one hand. Somehow I hit the off button. But anyway, so here's box 1. And let's go ahead and pull out box 2. So, have both boxes out now. Where's my son? Look at this dude, man. Anyway, so let's check them out. Let's see what we have. They better be chrome. I can't do black with a truck that has chrome bumpers, so I see chrome. Alright, there we go. Put the plastic off. Get a close-up look at it. Pick it up, take a look. Alright, so this is what we have. Yeah, it looks nice and futuristic. Tabs looking okay. It comes with headlights, I think. Let's open it and see. Yeah, so headlights are already installed in there. I'm gonna rock with the fact that, well, the lights that came with it for probably about a week or so, just to see how they are. I am gonna switch these out to LEDs. I'm just trying to figure out which ones to get. So here's the adjuster. Looks pretty good. Huh, strange. So I'm sure this is for the daytime running light. Why is it only one? I don't know if that's supposed to be like that. I thought it was gonna be 2 wires coming out, but anyway, what I'm gonna do is check the other one and see. This ain't looking too sharp. Yeah, see that? Try to focus it. So this plug actually doesn't look good at all. But we'll check out the other ones. Anyway, let me get the other one off. I thought I was gonna have 2 wires for the daytime running light. Maybe it works. We'll see. Alright, so here's the second light. Driver side. Get that plastic off. They look good. And so I was concerned with only having this one plug hanging out, and guess that's normal. This right here, I'm just gonna be quite frank, that doesn't look good. You can tell they just stuck the pins in there and filled it with some kind of filler, so look a little sketchy, so we'll see. But anyway, so yeah, here's the driver's side headlight, and it came with an adapter that I didn't know it was going to come with. So let's go ahead and get this open. Running light module, which kind of sucks for me because I actually bought a wiring harness. It was a fall light harness from Amazon. because I was gonna use a harness to wire them up, but it looks like this came with one, so I'll be using this one. So let's see. Let's get this thing laid out and check it out. Hey guys, I was editing that last video and guess I forgot to hit record on the very last part. Basically, I gave the lights a once over. They look great. Only thing sketchy is that connector that goes, I guess, for the park lights. So we'll install them and see what's up. So if you do want to check out the install, check out the very next video. Again, these are the 2019 style headlights on the 2009 to 2018 Dodge Ram. So with that said, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, give me some comments, and let me know what you think of them. Peace out.